Jai Hind everyone. Our nation teaches us never to stop, never to give up, and always to rise again. After a long break, I'm finally back on YouTube with this series. It really feels special to start again with new energy, new hope, and a start spirit. So, thank you for waiting and supporting me. Let's begin this journey once again together. Jai Hind. So, I have mentioned that I have started a series, a series of coding, like coding challenges. From very basic level to higher level, we will go and we will also discuss some parameters about the concept. Okay, before doing any coding things, we will firstly discuss about concept. So I have started the series. So let's start. And if I talk about what are going to do, like what the questions we are going to solve today. So the first one question is, write a program to check number is odd or even. Write a program to print largest number out of two number. Write a program to check number is divisible by 5 or not. Write a program to check a number is positive, negative or 0. Write a program to swap two number using third variable or without using third variable. Write a program to print of days in a given month. Means that we will like enter the month or like 6 or 7, or and the code will print the how many days in that a month. The eighth one question is print number of days in a given month using switch statement. Basically, we will discuss about what is switch statement, and after that we will made a calculator using switch statement. Or the last one question is that try to find maximum number out of three number. Basically, this is a very basic questions for beginners. That's why I've told the series that beginner to high level. Firstly, like in a day I will upload two video, 10 videos, okay, like 20 videos, and we will going to discuss like today's 10 questions. And after that, the complexity of the questions will be increases after day by day. Okay, so firstly we will gonna to do the like we will copy this, control C, and gonna to paste in our code. It will take little time, and after that we are gonna to do comment, so we don't need to go there again and again. Okay, so let's begin our coding challenge. It's a day one. I have to be back here due to some reason I was not uploading the questions. Okay, so let's start. We have to write a program to check given number is odd or even. Simply, like we'll take int n is equals to 4. Okay, and then we have to check. So we will use if n modulo 2 equals to 0, then you have to print what it's even. Okay, otherwise we have to print odd. It's a very easy question, and if someone don't know about like what exactly like what we have to do, like if we will divide it by 2 and the remainder will be 0, then it's even number, and otherwise it will not, then it's odd number. Okay, so let's check 4 is even or odd. After a long time I have opened my thing, so yes, you can see this is an even number. Okay, so let's do another thing, another question. Second question, what is the second question? Print largest number of two number. Like we have given two number, n comma m. Okay, like we'll take 10. Okay, we have two number and we have to just print who is the largest number. So we will put a condition like simply if, obviously, if n is greater than m, then wait, if n is greater than m. Okay, so print n. the number which will be the greater, it is by default print. And if m is greater than n, then print. So basically, I just wanted to ask you the question: what if the whole number, like n or m, will be the equal? What will be the output? I'm asking from you. You have to the comment it out. Okay, you have to be the comment it out. This series is going to help you to getting to crack interviews and all kind of things, because already I have cracked a lot of company and still I'm working in Deloitte, so it will be very helpful for you. Secondly, it is a very basic and logic. Okay, write a program to check numbers divisible by 5 or not. Simply, like if we have a number like n, and like we have given it 10, we have to check it is divisible by 5 or not. Simply you have to put this 5 equals to 0. If it is divisible, you have to written like divisible by 5, divisible by 5. Okay, and if it is not, you have to print not divisible by 5. It's a very easy concept. Okay, divisible by 5. Okay, check numbers positive, negative or 0. Like if user have printed 10, so if it is positive, means that if n is greater than 0, it means that it is positive. So we will write number is positive. I'm just doing correction on that question. Okay, just modifying. And if it is negative, what will be the logic? Simply we will discuss about the logic. N is less than 0, it means that it is negative. So number is negative, right? Number is negative. And another logic is, if the number is positive, it means that greater than 0. If it is negative, less than 0. Or if it is not something like that, so it will be like number is 0. Simply wait, I will run this question. Like 10, it is a positive, it is working or not? Of course it is positive. And what if we will print minus 10? What if we will print minus 10? It is negative. What if we will print 0? Then what will happen? Check. It's a given like a number 0. Simple things. Only where I'm talking about, we are only discussing about a very basic question. Okay, and after that, when the next day, the video will gonna to be complex and difficult. Well, it means that it is easy level, then moderate level, then higher level, and that's I'm telling you. Okay, we have to. The fifth question is that we have to swap number using third variable. It's a very like n is equals to 10 and m is equals to 20. There's a two number and we have to swap. Firstly, we have to remove all this using third variable. Okay, I just wanted to explain this by the using of pen. Wait. Okay, let's suppose we have a bucket n and this is the m, and we are going to use o. This is o, this is m, n, and this is m. This is the bucket kind of things. Okay, we will take the third variable o. Okay, currently we have 10 inside our bucket and m is 20. Okay, and our o bucket is backend. So what we will do? Firstly, like if we want, I will put the m things in o. Okay, like now inside o it's a 20, and what happened? M is vacant, so I will put the n data in m. Okay, so here is 10 already. Okay, and now n is empty, so what I will do? I will put the o data in the n, means that 20. this happen with the using of third variable. This is a very easy logic. Okay, so we have to stop this. How to stop? I don't know how to erase. No, how to erase? Okay, it's erasable. Okay, so let's implement the logic. Int we have o. Okay, int o, and after that we will do the m thing. We will put the m thing we will put in the o. Wait. Int o is equals to m. We will put the data of. Wait, I'm not aware of what exactly I'm doing. Exactly, o is equals to m. We have put the data o m. We have put the m data inside o, and then m is vacant, so n data inside o and o data inside n. That's simple. And if we will print n and m, so just take a look. Okay, now the data of n will be 20 and the data of m will be 10. Just wait, 20 and 10, that's all. And what if without using third variable, then what we will do? We don't have the third variable, then what we will do? Simply we will replace like a b. It's a very complicated, like a b. So what we will do? Firstly, a is equals to a plus b, and then b is equals to a minus b, and a is equals to a minus b. Okay, the data will shown as a like it is already swapped. If I will run, you can see a will be 20 and b will be 10. It's a very easy logic. I am not thinking that I have to explain that very much. Okay, without using third variable. Okay, and now the question is, we have to the seventh question is that write a program to print number of days in a given month. Like suppose int a is equals to, we have given a month 6. Okay, so we have to print, like if we have entered a 6, we have to tell how many days in that month. So if we have applied a logic like if a is equals to 4 or a equals 6, a equal 9, or a equal what I have to say 11. So we have to print, what do we have to print 30. In these days, in these months, there's the 30 days. And similar is like that, else if a equals to remaining all. Okay, so I have to print like a equals to 2, so I'll print 28 or 29, and remaining of all these having what? Remaining of all this having 31 days. 31. It's a very simple logic. Okay, so now it's time for the switch statement. Before doing the switch statement, because these two questions is relatable to the switch statement, firstly I will cover the write a program to find number out of 3 number, maximum number we have to find. Okay, like if we have int a is equals to 10, b is equals to b is equals to 20, and c is equals to 30. Okay, we have 3 number and we have to mention, so we'll use if else. If a is greater than b and B is B is greater than sorry A is greater than B or A is greater than C. So what do we have print? We have to print A. A is a greater, okay. After that, else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So what do you have print? We have to print B. And after that we have to print C. This is the logic of the greatest number, whatever the largest number or maximum number in from the three of the variables, so it will print like that. This is a very easy question. So now we will talk about the switch statement. It's why we are using switch statement. Firstly, I discuss about that. We are using switch statement to sort in the code. Like if we were using if else, the code will be very lengthy, okay. So the time complexity and space complexity maybe will be increases, so we'll use switch statement, okay. So firstly I have to simple the thing as like we have used the if else statement to print the days, so we'll use the switch statement to print the days, like int a is equals to, we have used 11 or kind of something, okay. So what we'll do, we have used a switch and inside that we have put an a, and then we were writing case 1. If someone print 1, you have to print no if someone like that, so we'll print how many days are there in 1, 31. So there's the 31 in a day, so like that, okay. So what if we will strengthen the switch, like case 4, similar, wait case 4, case 6, okay. We have to copy control C. Very complicated here, not complicated, it's I'm just having problem. Case 6 like that, okay. Wait, I'm just saying case 9 and case 11. If someone is printing like that, what do you have to print? You have to just print how many days? 30 days, and you have to just break down, okay. That's very easy. And similar, if someone is using like we have given a number a and b, and if someone using addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, then that were the using of calculator using switches there, it's very easy, I think. So I just wanted to end up this video. At the end, why I'm using this thing, like why I started a series for that, because the thing is that if you have left the coding, so you have to start from beginning. That's why I have started. And if you were watching the video and if you want like information about how to get placed in Deloitte and kind of things, because I'm working in Deloitte, so you can just comment out me and you will also tell me like from where you were watching my video and in which college or in which semester you are reading or you are working. That's all. Thank you so much.